Algorand value equivalent to 3.5936 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.5211 The earlier day close, 3.6208. The change was 0.0272, 0.75%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 3.25 rands, high 3.48, low 3.02. Algorand gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 3.25 rands, high 3.48, low 3.02. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 3.09 rands, high 3.31, low 2.87. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 3.14 rands, high 3.36, low 2.92. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 3.14 rands, high 3.36, low 2.92. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 28, cost 3.23 rands, high 3.46, low 3.00. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 3.30 rands, high 3.53, low 3.07. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 3.28 rands, high 3.51, low 3.05. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 3.25 rands, high 3.48, low 3.02. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 3.35 rands, high 3.58, low 3.12. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. Algorand gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 3.36 rands, high 3.60, low 3.12. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 3.30 rands, high 3.53, low 3.07. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 3.32 rands, high 3.55, low 3.09. Algorand conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 3.35 rands, high 3.58, low 3.12. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 3.24 rands, high 3.47, low 3.01. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 3.21 rands, high 3.43, low 2.99. In about a month Algorand conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 3.21 rands, high 3.43, low 2.99. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 3.01 rands, high 3.22, low 2.80. Algorand conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost 3.49 rands, high 3.73, low 3.25. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.37, while low cost 2.87. The found the middle value of cost 3.62. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.23, change for April 19.7%. Algorand estimate for May 2023. Before all else cost at 3.23 rands. Excessive cost 3.78, while low cost 2.68. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.14. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.88, change for May 10.8%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 2.88 rands. Excessive cost 2.88, while low cost 2.41. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.69. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.59, change for June 10.1%. Algorand gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 2.59 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.95, while low cost 2.57. The found the middle value of cost 2.72. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.76. Change for July 6.6%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 2.76 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.42, while low cost 2.76. The found the middle value of cost 3.04. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 3.20. Change for August 15.9%. Algorand figure for September 2023. initially cost at 3.20 rands, excessive cost 3.20, while low cost 2.50. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.90. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.69, change for September 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023, initially cost at 2.69 rands, excessive cost 2.69, while low cost 2.10. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.44. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.26, change for October 16.0%. Algorand figure for November 2023. Before all else cost at 2.26 rands, excessive cost 2.48, while low cost 2.16. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.31. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.32, change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 2.32 rands, excessive cost 2.88, while low cost 2.32. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.55. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.69, change for December 15.9%. Algorand gauge for January 2024. To start with cost at 2.69 rands, exorbitant cost 2.69, while low cost 2.21. They found the middle value of cost 2.49. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.38, change for January 11.5%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 2.38 rands, exorbitant cost 2.77, while low cost 2.38. They found the middle value of cost 2.53. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.59, change for February 8.8%. Algorand gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 2.59 rands, exorbitant cost 2.59, while low cost 2.03. They found the middle value of cost 2.35. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.18, change for spring 15.8%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 2.18 rands, exorbitant cost 2.18, while low cost 1.70. They found the middle value of cost 1.97. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.83, change for April 16.1%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.2783 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2742 minus 0.2840. The earlier days nearby 0.2762. Change for now plus 0.0021 plus 0.76%. Ran to Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 0.308 coins, high 0.331, low 0.287. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.308 coins, high 0.331, low 0.287.